Hello guys, welcome to another video. So for the past couple of weeks now, or should I say couple of days now actually couple of weeks, I've been looking for a replacement suction cup mount to change the one I have in the car. Now this is because I got a new action camera and I needed a suction car mount that could hold on to what I wanted to do. So that brings me to today's video. So finally, I found one and I received it through the post 2 days ago. And I wanted to show you guys my opinion about this suction mount, what I think about it. And if you're in the market and you're looking for a strong, heavy duty suction mount, then maybe this might be the right one for you. Now, this is actually built for heavyweight DSLR cameras, but I wouldn't be using it for that, at least not for now. But the good thing is it's excessive for my need, which means I can use it for more things later on. The reason why I went in search of a new suction cup mount was because I actually bought a drone a few months ago that was supposed to enable me capture some video shots of the car while I'm doing maneuvers, and then obviously give me the whole of the area and the car while I'm doing these maneuvers. But unfortunately, it's tough to get a place to shoot with drone in London. And this is why I looked for an alternative and I ended up with a 360 action camera. And to be able to mount this outside of my car, I needed a strong suction cup mount. And that's why I got the Delkin. Now let's look at the build quality. My first impression when I took this out of the box was really good because the only plastic in this whole construction was just the legs and then the clip that you actually twist to lock the balls around. Those are the only plastics, and these are actually hard plastics, so they're not any cheap plastics. Everything else, the extensions and every other bars you see on these mounts are all metals, which gives it a very sturdy and strong feel. And that gives me peace of mind that my camera is not going to fall off this and damage my expensive camera on it. So yeah. The other exciting thing about the mount is that you're getting two in one. So you can actually separate one of the main leg from the other two. And with that being said, you can either, because I think I found out later on Amazon that you can actually order them separately. So the two joint or connected legs are like 499.99, sorry, 49.99, which is about 50, I'll just say £50, and the one separate one is 27 something, so it adds up to about £58. But yeah, the point is they've given you the choice if you want one or if you want the three legs, which I think is really good. So I took this cup to the car to try and see how much holding power it has, and I was surprised how good and strong it is. I mean, if you can see, I was literally using a lot of force, trying to see if I can get it out of the car, and it wouldn't come off. I mean, if you look closer, you could see the panel of the car was a little bit shaky, like it's trying to pull the car apart. So to conclude on this review, in my opinion, if your dash cam, or sorry, if your action cam or your DSLR, whatever you're trying to mount on this mount is very important to you. I mean, if you're spending over £300 or even £200, I don't know what is a lot for you personally, but if I'm spending over £200 on an action camera or DSLR camera, then I want to make sure that I put it on a very strong suction cup. And then you've got to realize as well, one other thing that I loved was the fact that I didn't have to do any assembling when it came out. It was just already assembled and I just have to tighten it to my own desire. So please guys, remember, if you liked this video or if it was useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. That way I'll be able to get more content out for you. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.